In this video, we'll show you how to make a new price tracker in ShoppingScraper. First, select the marketplace and country where you want to track prices. Then, give your tracker a name and choose the frequency of tracking, whether you want it to be hourly or daily. Next, assemble a list of EAN codes for the products you want to track. You can add them manually or import a dynamic CSV from a URL. Just make sure the EAN codes are listed in the first column. And boom, you're live. From the price tracker, you can check out the buy box owner, cheapest sellers, price ranges, and even zoom in to see all seller prices. Plus, you can share your dashboard with a colleague if you want to collaborate on tracking prices. You can use the download functionality to get a CSV file of the data, or use the public CSV functionality to access a fixed link, so why waste any more time manually tracking prices? Try ShoppingScraper and take control of your e-commerce success.